What's happening, everybody? Join me on this creeking adventure up in the high country. Hopefully we're gonna get into some brook trout, maybe a few cutthroat, rainbows. I'm probably just gonna throw a dry fly the majority of the time. I think most of these fish will be willing to look up and eat pretty much anything on top. If you've done any creek fishing before, you probably know this stuff is pretty straightforward. But if we need to, we'll nymph a little bit. So let's get geared up and we will get down there. Right, there's a little pool down here. I think I'm gonna sneak down and around, probably right in that little corner. Oh, drop it. That's a nice fish. These fish are more spooky than a lot of the other creeks around here. You can't get too close, or they really all just kind of pod together in one spot, except for that guy. That was a little bit of a tough angle. This one should be a little easier. Oh, I missed it. It was all the way on the other side. So right now I'm just walking up. I'd like to find some flatter water that I can throw a dry into. Still got a little bit of time before the rain starts to roll in. So we're gonna see if we can't get a few more. Is. Okay, we just cleared out of the canyon part of it. I'm walking down right behind us. That's where we're gonna go back up. I'm gonna finish this off. There's a few nice runs. This one right in front of me looks pretty good. Let's check it out and see what we can do. Oh, missed him. In that top right corner. Let's see if he gets it again. Sank that time. That one was my fault. There we go. looking fish. Well, I think that's pretty much going to do it for this one, guys. That was a lot of fun. I got to throw dries pretty much the whole day, which is something I don't really get to do much of anymore. And hopefully we can get up here at least a few more times while everything's still green and not frozen. I'd really like to get up to a lake, maybe do a video up there, we'll see. But I'm about to make my ascent up this hill, and I really don't think you guys need me to record that. It's just gonna be me out of breath and hopefully making it to the top. But in the meantime, thank you guys for watching again, and we'll see you in the next video.